Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5072033, because of this error code, that is 0x80070003. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So for this, to fix it, go to Windows Update in Windows Settings. Here you can see Pause Update. Click on Pause over here, and once it is paused, now click on Resume Updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in Services in Windows search box, click on Services. Scroll down, find Windows Update. At the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Somewhere over here you will find it. At the top somewhere, yeah, here you can see Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on Restart. Find App Readiness. Somewhere at the top you will find App Readiness. Make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic, again hit Apply, click on Start if highlighted, and then make a right click on App Readiness, click on Restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and if you see retry option over here, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. So these commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on Command Prompt tab. Make sure that you run Command Prompt as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the Enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you write down the name of the update, that is KB5072033, and then click on search. And then let me translate this language. Now you can check your version. So to check your Windows version, type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case it's version 25H2, and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check the system type. In my case it's 64-bit x64. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. So click on download and then you can run, you can click on this KB5072033, click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually. Once that is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, Advanced option, scroll down, click on Recovery option over here. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use Media Creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now and then run this exe file. And then you have to click on Accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on Finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on Setup file, click on Yes to allow, click on Next, click on Accept, and then here you can see Ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.